Hello everyone, I am Gayatri Thombre. Welcome you to the third episode of Practical Usage of Grammar series. Everyone wants to speak in English but they fear to learn grammar. And to make sentences, one needs to know the grammar sentences and sentence structures and grammar, rules and formulae. So I thought to start a series in which you would learn grammar topic, sentence structure, but without actual having board teaching. Isn't it so interesting? So let's get started. Today we are going to learn to talk about future events. Now, whichever may be the sentence, if the action is included, we have to start it with the name of a person or the replacement word. That means I, we, you, they, he, she, it. These are the replacement words or the name of persons. So the biggest question, how to start my sentence in English, is solved. I think so, right? Now, if you want to talk about future, then you have to use will. Okay, after the name or the replacement word, you'll use will. And then you have to use action word as it is to make a simple sentence. For example, she will celebrate. Okay, now here she is the replacement word. Will we have used to denote it is a future event, and then action word as it is a present form, right? Present form of the verb. Okay, we'll not get deeper into the grammar, but we just have to think that we have to use action word as it is. So it will be she will celebrate, and after that you have to use such a word regarding that action word. Okay, to make it simple, I'm telling you this, not definition wise we are going. Okay, now this will be your simple sentence. So in this way you can make other sentences like she will drop it a picture, we will go to a picnic spot. Okay, any spot you can tell. Such sentences you can make. Okay, now what if you want to ask a question which has positive or negative answer? For that you have to start your question with will. To ask yes no type question, that means which has positive or negative answer, you have to start your question with will. So it would be, will she paint a picture? Will he celebrate his birthday? In this way you can ask a question. Now in this sentence structure you have to just shift two words. Now in this sentence structure you have to swap first two words. That means if it is a positive sentence, then it would be you will go to Mumbai. Okay, now here if you want to ask a question, you will say will you go to Mumbai? Okay, that becomes your question. And if you say I will go to Mumbai, it becomes an answer. Okay, it's very simple. And if you want to get some more information, then you can start your question from WH word like when, how, where, why, which. Such words you have to use in the first place, and then you have to use yes no type questions and sentence structure. Okay, that structure you have to use as it is. That means if you just want to ask a question like, and as I always say, in the conversation we have just questions and answers. Sometimes they are elaborative, sometimes short. So to ask such questions you have to use this form. This basically you just have to keep in mind only one trick, that is to start a question you have to use will and then name of a person. Okay, and if you want to ask a question to get some more information, start with any WH word, that means which is suitable as per your requirement. That word you have to use, and then you have to use will to denote it is a future event, okay, or you are asking about future event. Now I'll give you an example how the conversation would be like. In the conversation you can say, hey, hi, will you come with me for a picnic, okay, or to picnic. Then answer would be, yes, I will come to picnic. Okay, now here simple sentences, I will come. Okay, now third person comes in and asks a question to get some more information. Where will you go? Then you would say, we will go to a hill station. In such a way, you have to make questions and answers to ask about future events. It's very simple, very easy to make a conversation in this way. Okay? Now, if someone wants to give a negative answer, it would be, we will not go to hill station. Okay? Negative answer. Fine. No, I will not come to picnic. No, I will not come to picnic. That would be his negative answer. While making negative sentence, you just have to use not in the third place to make a negative sentence. Okay, and before that, please do not forget to use will. So in this way, you can make a conversation about future actions, your future actions, someone else's future actions. I hope so you understand this and you'll be able to apply this in your future. Okay, and if it happens, please do let me know in the comment section and motivate me to make such more videos for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.